Whoa, what up? What's happening? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, I had made a post, you know what I'm saying, asking if y'all wanted to see this video. And I had a fire on foot set up for y'all, man. But some kind of way, the footage got damaged. I don't know what's going on with it, man. But, you know, I had a nice little something to model the things for you, man. You know what I'm saying? It didn't work out right, man. So we had to, man, it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, today we're going to take a look at the Yeezy Boost. What is it? 350 V2 Sesame. Okay, so once again, I apologize, man, because what I had planned for it didn't work out quite right. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get into these things, man, and hopefully y'all still enjoy it, man. Let's get into it. Okay, so looking at the box, you see you got the brown box, you got the 350 large across the top. Pretty plain Yeezy box. Here's a look at the tag. You see Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Sesame is the colorway. Now this is a size 6. Don't have my size, so don't expect me to give you one of those special on feet videos that I claim that I could do. You know what I mean? But it is what it is, man. But y'all stay tuned because we will do our own foot for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So here it is, the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the Sesame colorway. Now this is an okay little color or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I can't knock it. You know what I mean? But how will these do in the stores? I don't know. Most likely they'll sell out, but who knows? I see that the zebras didn't do that good, so it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna look around the shoe a little bit, man, and we're not gonna get too technical. You know what I mean? So let's go ahead and get into it. Now looking under the bottom, you see you got the gum sole, you see you got your boost in the back and in the forefoot. Nice little touch, pretty comfy. You see what you have at the back. There's a look at the shoe up close. Now this, I don't know where the sesame color comes from, but it's more like a light gray. You know what I mean? So there's a look from the top. Here's your medial side. There's your tags and everything. I mean, it is what it is, man. It's pretty self-explanatory, man. It's just a Yeezy 350 V2. Let's look at the back. You see your pull tab. You got your 3 stripes on the inside. It is what it is, man. You know, so we're going to take a look at the other shoe. There's no difference between the two. Everything's identical. You know what I mean? So if you're in the market for these, man, these release on, when is it? November 23rd, I believe. That's in a couple of days. That's in 2 days. Matter of fact, you know what I'm saying? So if you're in the market for these, man, go ahead and get your chips together, man, and pick you up a little something, you know what I'm saying? So, like I say, it's an okay shoe. Not for me. I do have a few pair, but not the biggest fan of them. Not the biggest fan of him. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. I still got to bring y'all this content, though. You know what I'm saying? So, here's another look at it. You know, we had to bring it around the king, you hear me? Trying to give you a better view at the kicks, man, and let some different light hit them and try to give you a better perspective on the shoes, man. You know, now, see the small size? I like the way they look on feet, you know what I'm saying? But big sizes like myself, I'm not feeling it like that, you know what I'm saying? So, like I say, hopefully, you know, you get you a better look at these, man. You can go ahead and make your decision. Hopefully, I can help you out a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Now, here's a comparison with the grays again. So, I don't know why I'm comparing it to the Mauve or Mauve or whatever you call it, because that's not even gray, but you know, some people have wanted to see that, wanted to see how the color differs from the other shoes, you know what I'm saying? So, like I say, man, that was my look at the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the Sesame colorway. Okay shoe. Now these release on November 23rd for 220 bucks. You know what I'm saying? Follow us on Instagram at PetLazare504. Subscribe to this channel. Let's get into this on foot, and I'ma holler back.